Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to install SQL Server or Microsoft Windows. We will learn about the prerequisites, downloading and installation, feature selection, SQL Server Management Studio, and everything else to make a productive environment. So first thing first, these are the supported operating system for SQL Server installation. And these are the supported hardware requirements to install SQL Server on your selected operating systems. Now it's time to start the operation. Search SQL Server in your favorite web browser. Go to Microsoft official website to download SQL Server. Surely you can download any edition of SQL Server, but for this video we are downloading Developer Edition, which is free. Run the downloaded installer file. To control the process of installation, select Custom as an installation type. On Installation Center window, click Installation from the left panel. Then click New SQL Server Standalone Installation or Add Features to an Existing Installation option from the right. On the Setup window, select Free Edition type and click Next. Accept Microsoft license terms and then again click Next. A global rule check will be performed by the installation setup. You can see the details and confirm the global rules, tick for updates and then click Next. Confirm rules. You can ignore any Windows firewall warning at this spot and click Next. To make the process simple, at this step uncheck the Azure extension for SQL Server and click Next. We have reached an important step, that is feature selection. Keep in mind that at this step you have to just select database engine services option and nothing else and click Next. You can install the other features in future whenever you want. Name the instance for SQL Server, or you can leave it default and click Next. In server configuration step, you can set the startup type of Management Studio services as a manual or automatic and click Next. For DB engine configuration step, set authentication mode and provide password for SA user. Additionally, you can add your current window user for login if you have a sole machine to develop. Click Next when you are done. Review the feature selection. If everything is fine, just click install. It may take some time to complete the installation process. Upon completion of installation process, the success message will appear on your screen. You can confirm in the programs list that SQL Server has been installed. But where are SQL Server Management tools? It seems that they have not installed yet. To install the SQL Server Management tools, go again to Installation Center window. If the Installation Center window was closed, you can always run the SQL Server installer to add features to existing installation. So on SQL Server Installation Center window, click Installation from the left panel and then click Install SQL Server Management Tools on the right. You will be redirected to Download page. Run the installer for SQL Server Management Studio tools. Click Install. Wait till the installation is completed. Upon completion of the setup, click Close button. To confirm that SQL Server Management Studio has been installed on your window, click the Windows button on your keyboard and type SQL Server Management Studio, and you will see the app in the installed programs list. Provide credentials on the login screen and you will be logged on to the SQL Server Management Studio application. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, or if possible share it with your fellow developers. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for watching.